Hey guys, we're going to be working on our words for Exploding Ants story. This list is full of homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike. In other words, all the sounds are the same, but they are spelled differently. Now that's going to be hard for us because we work with the boxes, which are sound representations. And what we have to do is remember the spellings based upon the meaning of the word in this list. Some words have two spellings, others have three different spellings with the same sounds. I wanted to remind you that if you're watching me on YouTube, you can also go to edmodo.com and join my group, and this is the group code. In the group, it's organized by grade, so it's a little organized instead of on YouTube. I have the forms, the blank forms, and also the teacher's form where I've got the explanations and the phonics rules written out for most of the stories. Alright, the first word we're going to do is scent, but we need to review this rule first for the soft C sound. The C that is followed by an E, I, or Y will say the S sound, like in the word scent, which is the word that we're going to use. But I needed to show you because C followed by an E, which it does in our word, is going to say the S sound. So let's do the word cent. I have 1 cent, meaning money. S, E, N, T. The first sound is S. It's done with a C because it says the S sound, because E is the short E. I circle these two because it reminds me that they work together to make this sound. N, T. Cent. This one means money. I sent you a letter. S, E, N, T. That kind of scent is S, E, N, T. I sent a letter. A smell, something that you can use your nose to smell something, you smell a scent. S, E, N, T. And this word is spelled with a SC. Probably due to word origin. A lot of SC words are Greek or Latin in origin. E, N, T. So these words are exactly the same from the E, N, and T, but how we say and spell, well, how we spell the S sound differs. Money, I send something, it is sent, and a smell, scent. The next word is threw. I threw the ball is going to be the first one. Threw. Ooh. That's the TH. Ooh. Ooh, and the word threw, meaning I will throw something. I threw the ball, is spelled with an EW. Through. I walked through the hallway means going in the middle of somewhere or going through somewhere. Ooh. Now, ooh in this word is O-U-G-H in one box. Remember, we're putting the dots in the box to represent the sound. So the letters that represent that sound need to go in that box. O-U-G-H says ooh, and the word through, meaning I'm going in the middle or I'm going between something. I'm going through the hallway. I'm going through the group of children. Through. The next homophone word is weather. Weather. W-E-V-R. The kind of weather that we'll talk about for the first spelling is the atmosphere. The rain, the snow, the sleet, the sun, the wind, the rain, that kind of weather. The first sound's w. E is the vowel team E-A. E. V. Is the E-R. Weather. E-A can say 3 different sounds. E, A, and E. The way to remember that is eat a great breakfast. This one says like in breakfast, weather. Now the next weather is, I don't know whether to go to the movies or not. Weather. Sound it out. Wh, e, v, er. Wh is not w, it's wh. A W with lots of extra air. That's the W-H. Wh. E is a short E. V, Weather. I don't know whether to go or not. The next homophones, and there's 3 of them, the sound is there. So we're going to do 3 different spellings of there. The first one is something that belongs to them. It is their boat. It is their turn. So it's dealing with a group of people. Their. It's possessive, plural pronoun. Their. V, e, V is TH. E, short E. Is the IR. There. I put my book over there, a place not close to me, a place farther away, is there. V, e, V, e, is R-E. Because the is in the end, the R needs to be in the last box with the silent E. This silent E is not making this say its E sound. It's just making the short E. There. I'm not sure why that silent E is there. There. It could be word origin, because when I looked it up on several apps and in the dictionary, there's several different word origins, and the original word did have a lot of the E at the end. So it could just be there due to how it used to be spelled in other languages. There. The next there is they are. We're going to use the contraction. They are. It sounds like there. V, e, V, a, or e is how we usually say it. But it's the pronoun they are, so it's a contraction, so we use the apostrophe R-E for R. Let me write it over here. It's they plus R is there. You use the whole first pronoun, you drop the A, and you add the apostrophe. There we go. There. I'm going to pause the video here so that you can kind of review this half of the list. And please come back for part 2 because we've got several more homophones to review.